Hello my dear viewers, Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to Kajifti's English World, and this is me Kajifti Karamifti with you. I'm a 6th grader and I'm from Kumilla. How have you been up to? Hope you're doing great. I'm also well. Today we'll talk about IPA symbols. This is the part 4 of IPA symbol series. If you haven't watched part 1 to 3, so please watch them. The links are in description. Today we'll talk about IPA symbols 20 vowels. IPA symbols has 20 vowel sounds, 8 diphthong sounds and 12 monophthong sounds. Now we'll talk about monophthong sounds. Monophthong sounds are two types. Firstly, short vowel sounds and then long vowel sounds. Short vowel sounds is that we have to pronounce them shortly. So let's see. You can see this sound is like English letter I. The pronunciation will be E shortly, E. For example, bit, kit. And then we can see the symbol like E, English letter E. The pronunciation will be E. For example, bat, red. And then you can see this symbol is like this. The pronunciation is a, shortly a. For example, you can see bat, cat. And you can see this symbol, the pronunciation is a. For example, cot, not. And you can see this symbol, the pronunciation is a. For example, car, not. And you can see this symbol, the pronunciation is oo, shortly, oo. For example, good, put. And you can see this symbol, the symbol is the shortest symbol sounds in IPA symbols. It's called schwa sound. It will pronounce it very shortly. For example, a nut, a pen. Now we'll talk about long vowel sounds. Long vowel sounds is a sound like we have to pronounce them longly. So let's see. This sound is like I, English letter I. The pronunciation is E, longly, E. For example, bead, seed. And then you can see this symbol is like English letter A. The pronunciation is ah. For example, bud, long, bud, card. And you can see this symbol, pronunciation like O. For example, board, longly, board, load. And you can see this symbol like 3. The pronunciation is This symbol and this symbol are similar in pronunciation, but they have difference. It will go up and it will go down, like bird, not it's and it's ah. So let's see the examples. Bird, shirt. And the last symbol is this. It's oo. For example, food, could. Now we'll talk about diphthongs. Diphthongs is a combination of two monophthong sounds. It is actually makes two vowel sounds makes diphthongs. So let's see. The first sound, we can see this a sound we have watched before. A sound and the schwa sound makes sounds air. For example, care. And you can see the sound is oo and the schwa sound. So the sound like oo. the schwa sound is short, so we have to pronounce the shortly. For example, show, to, show, to. And then you can see the schwa sound and the u sound makes o. For example, no, go, no, go. And we can see the sound, long vowel sound, sound, and the u sound, o. Along the o. For example, now, cow. And then we'll talk about this. It's the e sound and it's the e sound makes a, like a. For example, bay, tray. And we can see this sound is we have watched and it's e, I. For example, buy, cry. And you can see this symbol is o and it's e, oi. The pronunciation will be oi. For example, boy, toy. And you can see this symbol is e, and the schwa sound, it will be e. For example, t, b. That's all about IPA symbols 20 vowel sounds. If you like this video, you found it helpful, so please subscribe to this channel, like this video, share this video, and special thanks to Aminusalam Shagu sir, who is the founder chairman of Indian English School and IELTS Master Trainer. And new video will come. Till then, peace out.